Hey there, it's Sales Funnel Nerd. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about using your webinar content. Now, before I've talked about when you do a webinar, anytime you do a webinar, you want to record it. Now, here's where we're going to break down why that's so important and why this can help you out and give you a real advantage. Because you can take your webinar, right? You take your recording and you extract the audio from that. So you've got the video version, recording of it, and then you extract just the audio. Now, that's all you need to send away to a transcription company. I'll put a link underneath this lesson here to the one that I've used in the past that works really good. But when you get that transcription back, you want to edit that down, turn that into some type of report, right? Get that transcription edited because it's usually just going to be a big block of nasty text, right? If you get just kind of a basic transcription done. So you go over to Fiverr and get that turned into, condensed down into, a very easy readable report. And the nice thing is you can just chop out all the story stuff. It can be just the learning portions of it here. But all your webinars, get them transcribed, have an audio version and, like a transcription version of it and or a report version. Now, once you've got your audio version, you want to burn your audio to CDs. Now, this type of thing you can do manually if you want, or you can hand this off to a company who will do this for you. And I highly recommend, anytime you can outsource and have that time kind of freed up so that you can do other things versus investing, your own time into something that really is only costs a couple bucks an hour, I say outsource it. Right? But you want to get those CDs and the transcription and basically put those into a package, a binder, something where if somebody buys through your webinar, you've been selling, if you've done it right, you've sold them a high ticket item. So when they get this kind of surprise in the mail, you don't even tell them about this physical version. This physical version just arrives as a surprise in the mail. And then they feel like they're getting, an extremely impressive product. Again, helps lower buyer remorse. And, you get nothing but a happy customer on the other side. So that's what you can do as far as using your webinar content to give your customer kind of a surprise bonus and, over deliver for them. Now, as far as on your side with your webinar content, what you want to do is, again, you want to record your webinar, those transcriptions, have your own audio version of it so that you can take it and use your learning sections are going to be the most important part. Anything where you're giving away the meat, the content of your webinar, that kind of stuff can be turned into just basically anything. Blog posts, emails that you want to send out, like sub mini videos of those, just break each one of those into its own little video. Take the audio, get it burned to CDs, and then have those as free plus shipping CDs where, you get these 3 secrets on a CD. The person comes to your squeeze page and you just essentially tell them to cover the shipping and handling. So you know what I mean? Like say $5. They pay $5 for the shipping and handling, and you'll send them this CD. Now, of course, you've got additional offers on there, but this is just basically a way to get them to commit and identify themselves as a buyer, right? So the transcription. Now, the great thing about the transcription is you can take that, have that edited into your own ebook, put that up on Amazon, and then all of a sudden, if you have a book, by default, you become some type of expert or celebrity in your field or industry or niche because you can claim that you have your own book. And there's something about saying that you have a book where people, just kind of assume that that you're some kind of an expert in regards to it. So that's how you take, that should give you some ideas on how you can take and manipulate. That's the point of putting out this great learning in the webinar, is to take that content and repurpose it because it's good stuff, because it's, better than sitting and banging it out again and again or having to redo something. So if you can take it and transform it into another piece of value, once you do it once, I assure you, you will always do it because it's very handy. So take those ideas and run with it. And I'll have some links underneath here as far as for outsourcing and that type of thing. And I will see you in the next video.